many topics, but today the topic which we have experienced, the condition which we have experienced, we will learn more about that condition. Okay, now which condition about teacher is talking? Let me introduce you. Before introducing, I want to ask you one question, that have you experienced flood? Flood. Have you listened the name flood? FLOOD, flood. If you
No,
can
ma'am.
answer, then you can raise your hand. Then we will unmute.
Yes, miss.
Yes, yes.
No,
Tell
ma'am.
me your name.
Yes, miss. Yes,
Tell
miss.
me your name. Have you experienced the condition or situation of flood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What you experience in that? What happens during the flood?
Oh, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Zero,
so many
ma'am.
students have raised their hand.
Zero,
Just
zero,
answer.
ma'am.
Yamini, you can answer.
Teacher, if floods will come, the which house is very can I answer in Hindi? Can I answer in Hindi, teacher?
Yes, yes, you can answer better.
टीचर जब भी फ्लड्स आता है तभी जो घर ना मजबूत नहीं होते वो पूरे टूट जाते हैं और पानी पूरा समंदर के पानी पूरा लैंड के ऊपर आ जाता है.
Okay, very good. Means the level of water increases at the time of flood. Okay. Yes, Khushbu, you want to say anything? I am unmuting you, beta. Okay. So, she is not connecting, I think so. Okay. So, we have seen about the flood, and you are very well experienced about flood. Means in Mumbai, as you are living near the sea. Okay. So, you have experienced flood so many times. I think every year in the rainy season. Okay, due to sea there is heavy rainfall, and due to rainfall the water level increases and you are facing the problem of flood. So what we should do during this flood, what protective measures we can follow, or we have to take information about this flood, how, that we are going to see. I will start sharing my screen. Our top name of the topic is disaster management. Name of the topic is disaster management, and our subtopic is wait. Can you see my screen? Are you able to see my screen? Okay. See, I am from Kulaba Municipal English Upper Primary School. My name is Trupti ma'am. See here, our topic is disaster management and subtopic is flood and lightning. So we have experienced is both the situations, somehow low or somehow high in the both the situations. Now we will just give throwback to those conditions. See here, major natural hazards, natural situations और natural क्या बोल सकते हैं हम लोग उसको, calamities which we are facing. Okay, see here, drought, wildfires, tropical cyclones, freezes, flood. See in the picture of flood you can see the one tree they have shown. This is a place where no houses are there. These are the pictures of major natural hazards, the natural situations which occurred. See here, I was asking you the questions related to flood. We already know about the flood and the effects of flood. What happens after flood comes? उसके बाद क्या होता है? What happens after the flood? we have very well experience about these effects. Now what we have to do, we have to collect information about the floods that have occurred at various places in Maharashtra in the last few years. Last few years in the
टीचर
sense it
आपकी
is
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही है।
okay. We have to collect information about the floods that have occurred at various places in Maharashtra. What is our work after this lecture? What we have to do? As you all are known about the mobile phones, you have using it. You are using these mobile phones for your lectures, for your studies, etc. So one more homework I am giving you, or the assignment I am giving you, that you have to collect information about the floods that have occurred at various places in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, wherever the situation of flood occurred, that you have to find out and you have to write it in your notebook. Okay, on internet you can find it very well. Before, I think 1 or 2 years, we have dangerous flood at Satara, Sangli, that side. Okay. See the condition of flood. This is a picture taken from upside. See, all the houses, trees, even some roads are depth into the water. This is the situation of flood which occurs when heavy rainfall is there. See here, now we are known about the flood, but what are the protective measures in the view of flood? See that as that is a natural calamity, it is out of our control, but few measures we can use to protect from the flood. Okay, see here, protective measures. There are 5 to 6 protective measures which we are going to see through the pictures. That's why you can understand it very well, how we can protect the flood. See here, construction of small dams in mountainous region. See, wherever there are mountains, we can construct the dams. We can construct the dams in mountainous regions. Small dams we can construct, so that water flow will be better. Okay. Now, or the water can store there only. They did not flow so much far. Okay. Have you seen the dam? If you have seen, then you can thumbs up. I can see some of the students are raising their hand. You want to say anything, Gaurav? Yes, you have understood. Yes, so many students have raised their hands as well as thumbs up. See, don't give me both the reactions. If you have understood, then just you have to give me thumbs up, and if you are having any questions, then you have to raise your hands. Okay, keep in mind these both the reactions, so that we will. Yes, very good. Now moving towards next. Yes, Romy, you are having any doubt? You are raising your hand. I am unmuting you.
मैम प्लीज आपका आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है इधर।
Okay, I will talk little bit more loudly. Okay, now you can listen me.
मैम बाकी स्टूडेंट गा रहे हैं, आपका आवाज लो है।
Okay. Yes, now you can listen me. My network issue is cleared, I think so. See here, this one is first protective measures in the view of flood. Now moving towards next. Construction of percolation tanks. See, I know you are unknown about these percolation tanks. See here, so that I have shown you, I want to show you the plan of percolation tanks. See here. percolation tank, this is how the water is stored so that it will not go waste and it will useful for us in the summer vacation and summer, and it will protect us from the situation of flood. See here, percolation tank, here well, water level, percolation tank name is there, evaporation will be there. Can you see this? So that if we store the water like this in percolation tank, the water will, वो क्या होता है, जमीन के अंदर चला जाएगा. Water will go inside the land and it will helps us it will help the farmers that they can use that water using the well. Here also one more picture of percolation tanks is there. See here, you have listened about the borewell. Okay, in the borewell, the the level of the water found under the sea, under the land. Okay, see this is how we can store the water under the land. Our next point is making river bands flat. Making river bands flat. This is how we can protect us from the flood. See here, two types of pictures I have shown you. This is the river beds. These are the river beds. This can protect us from the flood. Next one is cultivation of new forests. See, if we are cultivating the forest, then what we can do, the water will be need for the trees, so that water can absorb by the trees or water be can store over there only. Okay, on the mountains or on the land, it will absorb by the land through these trees. Cultivation of new forests. See, so many times we have listened the slogans, plant more trees, plant a tree to save the lives. These types of slogans we have seen. Save plant, save life, save plant, save water. Okay, these types of slogans we have seeing, but we are not understanding it sometimes. See, for these we should cultivate a new forest and we should plant a tree to save the life. So the more plants are there or more trees will be there, then the situation of flood, chances of situation of flood will be less. Okay, because the water will absorb by the trees under the land. Next, fifth one is connecting rivers. If we will connect the rivers properly, then this is one option to protect the situation of flood. See here, this is how I have shown one map of the river, the picture which I have taken from upside. Okay, can you see this? Shall I move further? You can raise your hands. Now we will revise these 5 topics, 5 points again, and out of those 5 points you will tell me the 2 points. Okay. First one, protective measure is construction of small dams in mountainous region. Second one is construction of percolation tanks. Third one is making river beds flat. Fourth one is cultivation of new forest. Fifth one is connecting rivers. So now you will going to tell me about 2 protective measures of flood. 2 protective measures of flood. Yes, so many students have raised their hand. You will directly answer me. You will tell your name first and answer me. Okay. Aditi, I am giving chance to Aditi. Yes, Aditi.
My name is Aditya Avinash Nagne. First protection from floods is making river beds flat.
Yes, very good. Second one,
Plant trees.
plant trees. Okay, means cultivation of forest, you can say. Yes, very good. We will clap for Aditi. Now, next one. Who can answer? Isha. I am unmuting you.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Isha Jadhav.
Yes.
Construction of recirculation tanks means to making dams.
Okay. Yes, very good. Two protective measures you have you have told me which are those uh, percolation tanks as well as construction of dams. Yes, very good. We will clap for these both the girls. See, now moving towards further, our next point is lightning. Okay. Now, what is lightning? See, we have learned about the generation of electric charge. We know about the electric charge. In this lesson, we shall learn something more about lightning and the measures for protection from it. We will learn about the lightning as well as measures for protection. As we have seen the protective measures of flood, now we are going to see the protective measures of lightning also. Do you know about lightning? You can thumbs up if you know. Yes, very good. Means you have experienced this situation of lightning. Okay. Now, how you experience this situation? That you will listen some sound from the sky. Okay. And after that sound, you will see the light from the. Yes, you want to say anything? Khushbu? You want to
Yes,
say
ma'am.
anything about lightning? Okay. You have raised your hand, that's why I asked you. Yes, Yamini, you want to say anything about lightning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say beta.
Ma'am, lightning means when sky strings, that means it's lightning.
Sky what?
Can I answer in Hindi again?
Okay.
जब भी एक लाइटिंग एक स्ट्रिंग आता है तभी अपने को मिलता है कि कुछ तो मीनिंग आता है कि अपने को लाइटनिंग हो रहा है करके मीनिंग मिलता है वहां से.
Okay, sky say before rainy or before rain or in between the rain. Yes. Means you have experience about this lightning also. Okay. Now, in your textbook, one some amazing facts about the lightning has been given. I will tell you about those amazing facts that not all lightning strikes the ground. All lightning are not strikes on the ground. You have to keep in mind these so that you can protect yourself from the lightning if you are outside the home. Okay. In fact, about 90%, in fact, about the 95% of the lightning flashes are limited to the sky. See, those lightning happens, we are listening the sounds of those lightning, but 95% of lightning happens in the sky only. Only 5% lightning we are facing the problems on the land. See here, 5% of lightning reaches the ground. 5% ही lightning ऐसा होता है जो ground तक आता है. Otherwise 95% of lightning are happening in the sky only. Okay, lightning can be generated within one cloud, between two clouds, or a cloud and the ground. See the process of lightning, how it happens. Lightning can be generated within one cloud. एक ही cloud में भी हो सकता है, within two clouds. It can be in the two clouds or within cloud and the ground. Okay, have you understood this? Okay. Next, about 40 lightning flashes occur per second in the atmosphere. About 40 lightning flashes occur per second. You can understand the speed of that lightning per second in the atmosphere. The temperature generated by lightning is higher than that of the sun. Temperature which is generated by the lightning is higher than that of the sun. See here, I have shown one picture of lightning. One man is standing on the ground. Okay, we will see these protective measures afterwards. Before that, due to this high temperature, the air under high pressure expands suddenly and land crashing sound is heard. Land crashing sound is heard. जो भी sound हमें सुनाई देता है. See, जब whenever lightning will be there or whenever lightning is there, at that time we are listening sound first and then we are we can see the light in the sky. Okay. Lightning strikes open ground maximum times. Now, what are the protective measures or what are the precautions that we should take during the thunderstorms? See here. So many precautions we have to take or we have to follow as we are facing this situation so many times. Okay. Now, see here. First one is, do not stand on open ground or below a tree. Do not stand on open ground or below a tree. See here. Do not stand. हमें खड़ा नहीं रहना है open ground पे, because lightning happens maximum times on the open ground. Okay. Or below the tree. This we have to keep in mind. Next one is, do not go to a high location or climb a tree. Cross picture I have shown you. The student is standing under the tree, or if climbing on the tree, we have not to do these things. Do not go to a high location. ऊपर वाली जगह, जैसे कि माउंटेन है. 1 minute. Like mountain or any one high place on the terrace, we should not go whenever these situations are there, raining or lightning. Okay. Moving towards next. Can you see these pictures? You can thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Very good. Now next. Very important. These all are the situations we should know. We should know about these protective measures and what we should do if the situation is occurred. Like this situation is occurred, what we should do? Do not stand near an electric pole. Do not stand near an electric pole, a telephone pole or a tower, etc. See, in city, as we are living in Mumbai, we can see so many wires or these towers, poles, etc. So whenever the situation of rain is there or lightning thunderstorm is there, we should not stand near an electric pole. नहीं मतलब नहीं खड़ा रहना है हमें इलेक्ट्रिक पोल, टेलीफोन पोल और a tower, because these are the conductors of light, and these the light can attract to these poles or the towers very fastly. So that to avoid this condition, what we have to do, we should not stand near an electric pole, a telephone pole or a tower. See these pictures, you can see wherever the cross sign I have shown, and here I have shown one green color tick sign. See here, and in another picture one man is standing near the tree or under the wires, light cables. So these we should not do. Okay, we should follow these protective measures as we are going the school, we are coming from the school or wherever we are going. If this type of condition is occurs, then we have to follow these protective measures. See, now one question for you is, why I have shown here green color tick? What is the picture of that green color tick? Which picture is that? Yes, Aisha, you can say beta. Tell me your name first and directly answer me.
Teacher, my name is Aisha.
Yes, very good. Tell me your answer beta.
Teacher, can I answer in Hindi?
Okay, you can answer. You have to try for English also. Huh? Okay.
टीचर
Answer.
टीचर जब बारिश आती है ना तो इलेक्ट्रिक से जो चार्ज रहता है ना वो सब मतलब कि ना नेटवर्क्स नहीं रहते, नेटवर्क के सब प्रॉब्लम्स रहते.
Okay. No, here what is my question? I have shown green color tick. Which is that picture? Green color tick. मैंने एक जगह पे क्रॉस दिखाया है एंड वन जगह पे ग्रीन टिक दिखाया है. द पिक्चर इज ऑफ व्हाट? Yes, who can answer? Yes, Kusum, I think so. Yes, Kusum, beta, try. But I am unmuting you. You can try your answer.
मैम ये पिक्चर हाउस का है.
Okay. When green color tick, why I have shown green color tick over there? Yes, Kusum.
मैम क्योंकि वो जब बिजली कड़कती है तो हमें घर के अंदर ही रहना चाहिए, ना कि टावर के पास या झाड़ के पास.
Yes, very good. Means you have understood that why I have shown this picture like this. See here, cross tick is there on the trees. Here trees are there. Cross tick is there on the tower. Cross tick is there on the poles. But green color tick is there just on the picture of the house. Okay. Means you have to show indoors at your house only whenever the situation is like this. Moving towards next. Wait. Do not lean on wired fences around a farm, a compound, a garden or a house. See here, these types of compounds we can see near our society or near our building. These types of compounds are there on some places only. Otherwise, these types of compounds are not there. They are at cement concrete compounds. See, we do not lean on wired fences of these types of compound. Okay. Now moving towards further. If you are on a two-wheeler, a bicycle, a tractor or a boat, get off immediately and go to a safe place. Now see, these four pictures you can see. Which are these pictures? Which are these pictures? Yes, you can answer me in the chat box. I am waiting for your answers. Which are these pictures? You are very well known. I am just asking this question that I want to check whenever you are attentive or not. Yes, one boy is going on the bicycle. Then one man is sitting in the boat. One man is driving the motorcycle. One man is driving a tractor. See, so many students have given the answers in the chat box. Yes, very good. Vehicles, cycle, bicycle, very nice. Means you are attentive. See, if we are riding these all the vehicles, we should immediately get off and go to safe place. During the lightning or the rain, heavy rainfall, not rain, we should get off immediately from these vehicles and we have to go to safe place. Okay. Yes, so many students are giving the answers now also. Okay, very nice. Observe these pictures. You are enjoying these pictures? If you are enjoying, then give me thumbs up. Okay. Now moving towards further. See here. Do not gather all together in one place. Yes, very nice. So many students have given the thumbs up also. Next point is, do not gather all together in one place. हमको बहुत सारे लोगों को एक ही जगह पे नहीं रहना है. As now, due to COVID-19 virus also, we are taking the precautions that we are not going in the crowd, है ना? We are not gathering, so many people are not gathering together like that we have to take this protective measure that we should not gather in one place only. Take care to keep a distance of 15 feet between any two person. 15 to 20 feet distance we have to keep between two persons at the time of the situation of lightning. See, you can see here I have shown some green color line, some people, some persons, and here 15 to 20 feet. Okay. Now moving towards further. Do not use plugged in electric appliances. Do not use a mobile or telephone. See, sometimes in the last month we are facing this problem of rainy season, and if at the time of, sometimes we have to change the timings of lectures due to this rain. Okay, so we should not use mobile or telephone whenever these situation of lightning or rainy season is there. Whenever heavy rainfall is there, we should not touch these all things. Mobile is there, telephone is there, television is there. We should not use these things whenever heavy rainfall is there. See students, if you are having any doubt, then you can answer in the chat box. Otherwise, you will not do unnecessary messages in the chat box. Okay. Now see here, do not use plugged in electrical appliances. Here I have shown you the picture of electric plug and electric appliances. So you will get clear idea what I am talking about. Now moving towards further, and this one is very important. If heavy rainfall is there at wherever you are living, then you can avoid your lectures also, that you should call your teacher and you should tell that, madam, heavy rainfall is there at my place, so I cannot attend the lecture, please suggest me any idea. Okay, you will follow these measures and the steps to get rid of yourself, get out of yourself from these hazards, natural hazards. Okay, now moving towards further, sand on a dry wood, a plastic sheet, sack or jute cloth or dry leaves. Here picture of dry wood and dry leaves I have shown. You can use these types of measures to avoid yourself from the situation of lightning. Now next one is keeping your feet together. Support yourself on the soles of your feet, placing your hands on your knees and crouch low. Here the situation, how we should sit at the time of lightning, that I have shown you. See students, before in the last year I seen one video of some boys. They are playing on the ground and suddenly this situation occurs of lightning. Okay, they sit like this suddenly. Okay, and one cock came, hen and cock, and they are saying like that कि why the students are sitting like this, means ये हमारी नकल क्यों कर रहे हैं, ऐसा वाला वीडियो मैंने देखा था. See here, if the situation of lightning is there, then you have to sit like this. Okay, how to survive a lightning strike. How this man is sitting, the legs feet are together, then the hands on the ears. Okay, can you see these pictures? Yes, so many students have giving thumbs up. Very active students, responding very fast. Moving towards next. Yes, moving towards next. Swimmers or fishermen should immediately come out of the water. See here, very important point. Swimmers and the fishermen should immediately come out of the water. Swimmers, the person who is swimming in the water, and the fisherman, they are going to near the sea to catch the fishes, okay, in the nets. So we should avoid these works at the time of lightning. Okay, they should come immediately out of the water. See students, we have seen so many types of protective measures. You should remember these protective measures, what we should do and what we should not do at the time of lightning. Okay, so after 1 or 2 slides I will start my questioning. A pakka house is the safest place. Find out if there is a lightning conductor on any tall building near your house. If necessary, Get a lightning conductor fitted on your house. See a lightning conductor. The Pakka house is the safest place. Pakka house, you are very well known about it. This is the safest place where we can protect ourselves from the lightning. Now see here, and if we are outside, then we have to take care of this safest place, and you have to go the nearby the Pakka house at the time of this lightning. Okay. Now you will tell me three protective measures of during the situation of thunder strike. Who will tell me three protective measures which we have to follow during the situation of thunder strike? Isha, tell me your name and directly tell me your answer.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Isha Jadhav. Uh, do not stand on open ground
Okay, very good. Next one. I want
or
three
do
beta.
not do not go to high location
High regions. Okay. Next one.
or if we are in a two-wheeler, bicycle or a tractor, boat, so go immediately to a safe place.
Yes, very nice. What is your name, beta? Isha, na?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Isha. You have given all the three whatever protective measures I want, and you have given it in English. Very nice. Yes, next student, I want another three protective measures. Who can answer? Kusum.
Do not stand near an electric pole, a
Yes,
telephone pole, a tower,
yes.
etc.
Very good. Next. Next. Yes, district Gadchiroli name student is there. Beta, you want to answer? Wait. District Gadchiroli. Huh.
Yes, miss.
Yes, beta, tell me your name.
My name is Manasvi.
Okay. Then tell me answer of my question.
We can stay in Pakka house.
Okay. Next.
And uh, um, in a dry wood,
Dry wood.
near dry wood,
Stand on the dry wood.
dry wood.
means yes, very good. Next point.
And a plastic sheet near.
Plastic sheet.
Sheet.
Okay. Yes. Next point. Next point, beta. Okay. Very good, beta. You are attending the lectures as well as you are giving the answers. You are from Gadchiroli district, I think so.
Yes, miss.
Okay, very nice. My video is on. Okay. Next point. Any another student want to give answer? Shruti. Beta, you want to answer?
Yes.
Yes, beta, answer.
My name is Shruti. You stay at your home.
Stay at your home. Okay.
Yes.
Now some more
And
protective measures.
and uh, I don't know, ma'am.
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay, beta. See, so many types of protective measures we have seen.
Teacher, may I?
So many types of protect. Beta, you are from which school? Shruti?
Chotu Bhai Patel.
Kotubai Patel. What you wrote in bracket?
Huh?
Uh, what is your full name?
My name is Shruti Sondavle.
Okay, very good. See here, beta, Shruti. I have given so many types of protective measures.
Teacher,
Yes, who want to say?
teacher, my name is Yamini.
Yes,
I want to say few types of things which can protect us from lightning.
yes, beta.
May I? That is, we should stay in our house and we should not go outside when lightning. We should disconnect all our electronic things.
Okay, very good.
And if we are riding bicycle, scooter or truck or board, we will come to our home at fast. We don't want to stay outside when lightning. That is the main point.
Okay, very good, Yamini. Very happy to listen your answer. You have given the nice explanation. Whatever we learned these all things, and you have talked very nicely. So thank you everyone. But before ending this session, I have given you one home assignment in the starting only, that you have to find out few situations of flood that which occurred in the Maharashtra in the last few years. Okay, you have to find out these situations. You have to write in the notebook on one page, and you have to click picture of it, and you will send these pictures in your class WhatsApp group. Okay, that teacher will forward it to me. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you so much, and very good that you all have answered very nicely. Okay, now if you are having any doubts, you can answer me, you can tell me. But Yamini, I am very happy to listen your answer. You have explained very nicely. Okay. So I am giving you time of 2 minutes. If you are having any doubts, you can answer me. Just today I took 2 topics only, that you should understand the protective measures of these 2, and tomorrow we are proceeding further with next 2 points. Okay. So about today's 2 points, you can ask me the questions about the flood or lightning. If you are
Ma'am,
having any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, Shruti?
ma'am, what is meant by cultivation?
Cultivation means planting the trees, beta. Cultivation of forest. If we are planting more the trees, पेड़ लगाते हैं हम लोग, तो बहुत ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाने के बाद फॉरेस्ट बन जाता है. That is called as cultivation. Okay?
Okay.
Have you understood now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Teacher, I want to tell you thank you because you explained us very well. I like science subject and you teaches me as I like. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good, beta. Thank you so much. I am very much happy to teach like the students like you, and I am enthusiastic to take more lessons to teach you. Beta, you are from which school? Beta Yamini, you are from which school? Tell me.
Teacher, I am from LK Wagji MPS.
Okay, very good, beta. Very nice student, and all the students are very nice. They are attending as well as they are giving answers, asking questions. You are welcome. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can take my contact number from your teacher. Okay. So thank you so much,
Okay.
everyone.
Thank you.